Good morning, welcome to Disney Day 4. Today we're at EPCOT and we are actually pretty much ready to go on Guardians. I think we should be called back in just a couple of minutes. It says that for the virtual queue right now, our estimated callback time is 9:57 and it's 9:32. The park opened at 9, so we got a pretty good virtual queue this morning. But we're gonna go hop on Nemo real quick, maybe ride Spaceship Earth because JP is so ready to go ride Nemo. So let's go.
Let Nemo!
Here it goes. 5 minutes.
Windy.
Oh! Don't touch the boat.
Jellyfish! Right! Okay, now I'm thinking of something.
You ready?
Larger, denser clusters. We all know it themselves. Array of architectural styles.
What song do you want?
Iran.
I just don't want conga.
I thought Congo was lit at first.
It was good, but I've had it twice.
Commander of the Nova Corps, on behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar.
Here we go! Turn off that alarm! I've got an important transmission.
Incredible once again. That ride is fantastic. I like it more every time, honestly.
Yeah, and they won't shut it down in the rain because it's inside.
Yeah, that's a plus. Levi, what song did we get?
Iran.
It was great. I'm also excited that I'm about to get to do it again because we are doing child swap. So I'm riding with my mom now. Are you jealous about that a little bit?
I am.
It's gotta be worth a fortune.
It's just a few speech drives.
If you like pina colada.
White stripes, it looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes, have you seen them?
Seen who?
Jellyfish!
All right, it is currently raining, so we left the parks. We're gonna take a little midday break, but we decided to go to Cane's because we've never had Cane's. So we are about to decide if it's good or not. I just tasted a fry and it is flavorless. There's no flavor. I guess the sauce is probably good. Did not dip it in the sauce, just tried the fry by itself. Fry by itself is like a 4.8. Like it does not, it's nothing. It's just a French fry.
It may be worse than 4.8.
Levi's over here hyping it up so hard.
I haven't hyped up anything.
Yes, he has. He's like,
hyped up.
whatever. He's like so ready to be on Cane's, and then he's eating these French fries, and he's like, "Come on, that French fry, it's not bad."
I never said that.
Yes, you did. You literally just said that.
No, I didn't. I said it's not a good fry. That's what I said.
No, it's not. I hope their chicken fingers are better, because really, honestly, at Zaxby's, I just think their chicken's gross. Overpriced, overrated, overhyped. It has now stopped raining for a second. We're not really sure when we're going back to the parks because we don't really know what this storm is going to look like. Evidently, there's like tornado warnings or watches. Not really entirely sure, but kids are asleep, so we're going to let them sleep. And then we'll head back into the parks at some point. All right, we're headed into the park at 7 p.m. Park closes at 11 and it's raining, so there are like no waits. We're pretty excited. Hopefully it does not pick back up and start raining again. I'm not sure if the fireworks can get canceled or what, but we are excited to be one of the few people in the parks. Honestly, the constant flow of people leaving is such a good sign for us right now. I feel like everything's gonna be such a low wait once we get in there, and we're just gonna have like 4 hours of having the park to ourselves, so that's fantastic. I'm about to zoom out and see what the map looks like. So we're going to Magic Kingdom tonight. Since it's our last night, we like to end it at Magic. I don't know if they're still gonna do the fireworks, we'll see. But like, everything's pretty low. You know, like 10 minutes for Little Mermaid, this is what we like to see. Not the spring break crowds we've been seeing this week.
Yes! Yes, sir.
Take that, Zerg. We're about to watch fireworks up close for the first time ever. And she's so sleepy.
Go to sleep.
She's not going to sleep.
Yeah! Wow! What is that?
High five.
It's the genie. Nice!
Fireworks were better than we could have imagined. JP loved them, but now he's ready to ride again. So we're about to head to ride. Yeah, aren't we? So it's 9:15 and we're gonna go ride for the rest of the night until it's time to go.
It says 18 minutes. Carousel progress will be perfect.
It just poured down rain on us, so we're seeking refuge over here in Tomorrowland. We are waiting on JP to get done riding Buzz, and then we're gonna go ride some other things. I think it's actually stopped raining, but it absolutely came down for a second there, and I don't really know. I think it's gonna be like on and off for the rest of the night. There were like tornado warnings, tornado watches earlier, so it's been, my hair is wild right now. What is happening?
Bruno.
I wonder if that means there's a tiny O-ring. Those are corners. Approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
It's never gonna stop storming. We are very concerned. People Mover is a refuge right
Pretty
now.
much covered us.
Tron!